Everyone knows cats can be picky eaters. But there's one tabby named Tessa that's taking finicky to a whole new level. Because, believe it or not, when this cat eats, she uses a fork.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate her table manners as probably a 7 or an 8.
It all started when Faye Merle's kids left home, and she was left with only her husband Bill for company during mealtime.
I just decided that I wanted to have someone else to eat with us.
For several months, Faye worked closely with Tessa, using a technique that she's not sharing with anyone.
I'd like to say it's a family secret.
Now in the Merle house, mealtime is a big occasion. It begins with a quick cleanup.
This is the way we wash our paw, wash our paw, wash our paw.
The first course, gourmet cat food. And then this refined feline does her thing, shoveling it in with a fork.
I taught her to eat the most expensive food on the market.
But she's not only good with a fork. Now, when Tessa has a yen for noodles, she chows down using chopsticks.
I thought it would be a good gesture since we were going to Korea. The best ice cream in the world.
And when it's finally time for dessert, nothing but a spoon will work for this ice cream-loving cat. According to her owner, Tessa's table manners have opened up a whole new future.
Tessa has dreams. She would like to meet Tiger Woods and David Duvall. She would love to have a meal with Oprah Winfrey. And she would like to be a movie star.